Remember my my little brake drum forge? Well, I picked up this other bigger one. I'm hoping I can make, I don't know. I got all this junk out here. I just tried to do stuff for free, you know. I'm gonna see if I can't make something. First, I'm just going to try to get all five in there. But I'm not going to tighten it yet because I don't think they're matching up exactly. They're close, but they're not exact. My air goes in here. This is a little grinding disc that goes in a sausage grinder, but look how thick it is, and it's stainless steel. Is in the bargain basement at Cabela's. $10, but ain't no way I could have made that for $10. But it'll work. Be nice if I could find a way to keep that. I just came up with an idea. The idea that I thought I had to keep that disc from moving around isn't going to work. So I came up with another idea while I'm thinking. Yeah, that's right. I'm already thinking clearer. Well, I think my new forge is going to work out just fine. I have an idea what I'm going to use for a fan instead of a hair dryer on my little one. I just had a hair dryer. But I got something a little bit bigger. Don't know if it's going to work. And I got to think up something to make it work, but I'll do that in another video. But as usual, I appreciate you watching, and I really appreciate comments. If you have any comments about my new forge setup, please leave them down there. I love reading them, and we'll see you next time. Bye.